So let me just provide my username and password here. So this is actually my personal developer instance, guys. Okay. So this is the place where you will actually learn ServiceNow. This is the place where you will actually practice the things. So everybody has their own personal developer instance, right? So everybody has got the personal developer instances, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here I have to explain few things clearly. So let me just take a notepad and explain.
Sir, I'm getting an error that App Engine Studio is not installed.
So App Engine Studio means then you need to go to the developer account here. I think you have selected the role as App Engine Studio creator role. So here, right, you are supposed to select admin here, not App Engine Studio creator. So then you have to select the admin role. Here you have to change user role.
Sir, once again, please repeat, sir.
Okay, so do it parallelly. So let me just continue. See, here, remember one thing, guys. ServiceNow is providing personal developer instances for ServiceNow professionals. Those who want to learn ServiceNow, for them, ServiceNow is actually providing personal developer instance for free of cost. So personal developer instance is actually free of cost, right? Did you pay any amount? Did you guys pay any amount? No, right? No. So personal developer instance is actually for free of cost for ServiceNow developers. So for us being a ServiceNow professional, ServiceNow is actually providing free personal developer instances. But here, right, Infosys want to use ServiceNow platform. Infosys company want to use ServiceNow platform. So here, right, when Infosys want to use ServiceNow platform, Infosys company. So I'm taking Infosys as an example. So Infosys want to use ServiceNow platform to manage the service management. Okay, to manage the IT service management, they want to use ServiceNow platform. So when Infosys decided to use ServiceNow platform, right? So Infosys company will reach out ServiceNow company. So Infosys will go to ServiceNow company. So Infosys will actually ask ServiceNow company that I want to use ServiceNow for service management. Okay. So Infosys company will ask ServiceNow company that I want to use ServiceNow platform for our service management. Then ServiceNow company will actually give the terms and conditions and payment details and everything. ServiceNow company will actually explain to Infosys. So Infosys will actually sign in all the documents. Infosys will actually pay the amount as well. Okay, Infosys will pay the amount as well. So then ServiceNow will actually give the ServiceNow instance to Infosys company. Those are called enterprise instances. Those are called enterprise instances. Ours is personal developer instances. So if a company is actually buying ServiceNow from ServiceNow company, those are called enterprise instances. Okay. So when Infosys sign in all the documents with ServiceNow and pay the amount, they will actually provide ServiceNow instance to Infosys company. So they will provide like So they will provide the enterprise instance, something like infosys.servicenow.com. So something like that they will actually provide. So for us, they are actually providing something like this, right? So for free personal developer instances, it is actually they are giving these IDs. So when it comes to the enterprise instance, right, they will actually give the company name here. Okay. So enterprise instance will never go in sleep mode. Enterprise instance will never be expired. So here, right, companies always use enterprise instance. You will be doing your administration or development or implementation on the enterprise instances. This personal developer instance is actually for practicing purpose. Hope you understand. Is this clear or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, clear.
So ServiceNow is actually providing free personal developer instance for us for practicing purpose, for learning purpose. But ServiceNow is actually providing enterprise instance for organizations. Organizations have to sign in all the documents. Organizations have to pay the amount to use the ServiceNow instances. So these are called enterprise instances. Enterprise instance will have the company name as ID. So this ID is actually company ID. So enterprise instance will never go in sleep mode. Enterprise instance will never be expired. So you can always access enterprise instances, guys. Okay. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, clear, sir.
So here I have to explain one more thing clearly. So when Infosys bought ServiceNow instance from ServiceNow company, right? So ServiceNow company will give 3 ServiceNow instances. So one is dev, another one is test, and the third one is prod. Okay. So why they give 3 instances? So why they give 3 instances? So here, right, in every IT organization, definitely there must be 3 roles. One is developer role, and the another one is administrator role, tester role, and admin. So in every organization, there must be these 3 roles. Okay. So here you guys have to remember one thing. As soon as you buy the ServiceNow instance from the ServiceNow company, ServiceNow will actually provide us 3 instances at least. 3 instances. One is dev instance, another one is test instance, and the last one is prod instance. So here, right, in the dev instance, only developers will work. Okay, developers will work on this dev instance. Testers will actually work on this test instance. Admins will work on the prod instance. Okay, clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear, right? So definitely, guys, remember one thing. In the ServiceNow platform, whenever you buy an enterprise instance in the sense, so if Infosys organization want to use ServiceNow platform, or TCS want to use ServiceNow platform, or Deloitte want to use ServiceNow platform, so many reputed organizations, they started using ServiceNow, guys. So if an organization want to use ServiceNow platform, they have to sign in all the documents, they have to pay the amount for it. Once they paid the amount, they will actually get 3 developer instances at least. So if they want more than 3 instances, so they can also get more than 3 instances as well. Infosys, so they want Infosys UAT as well. Infosys UAT. Okay, so Infosys stage. Okay, and Infosys prod. So likewise, if you want more instances, more than 3 instances, so you can also ask ServiceNow to provide more than 3 instances as well. So we use these instances for different purposes, guys. Okay, we use these instances
Sir,
for, yeah,
one doubt. What is the difference between test and UAT? Both are
yes,
same, right?
no.
Okay.
So here, right, people, so there is a confusion for you, right? So usually I got confused regarding the same issue. So here, right, test instance is for testing purpose by testing team. Okay. Here UAT is also testing for not by testers, by end users. This is actually user acceptance testing. UAT stands for here, right?
Oh, okay.
UAT,
Okay, sir.
UAT stands for user acceptance testing. Okay. So here, right, in this instance, testing team will test your development. Here, right, in this instance, in the UAT instance, end users. So end
Okay.
users will actually test your development before going live, right?
Okay.
Before going live, end
Yeah,
users will actually test the things that you have actually developed. So
Okay, okay, got it.
they will actually inform you if they find any defects, if they find any discrepancy.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Hope
I
you understand.
actually worked in UAT instance. Okay, I thought that is the testing instance
Yeah. So
also,
some
but
organizations,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Some organizations, what they does is that in place of test, they will actually keep UAT instance, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, okay,
So
okay,
most of the people they get confused. What is the difference between test and UAT?
okay, okay, got it, sir, got it.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
So hope you guys are clear with the enterprise instance, how the organizations use enterprise instances. Clear, right?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
And what is the purpose of stage instance?
So stage customers will actually test that. So for customers purpose. So
So,
customers in the sense, so we have process owners, product owners, application owners. So for every application, there will be application owner. For every module, there will be process owner. So for them, we have actually stage environment. You understand my point?
okay, sir, okay, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So hope if you guys are clear, we will actually move ahead. Now let me just remove these things. So I'll have to explain one more. Okay.
So one more doubt. So for an organization, there is no need for UAT and stage both, right? So any one is fine because both are sharing the same use, right?
It is as per organization needs. If your
Okay.
organization wants UAT as well, you can have UAT. If
Mm-hmm.
organization don't want, so you don't have to use UAT.
Mm-hmm. Okay. But the stage is stage is there for for each and every organization.
Yeah, most of the organization they use stage because if something is wrong with production, so there should be backup, right?
Yeah.
So as part of backup, we use a stage environment.
Oh, okay.
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 Yeah.